Panaji, or Panjim, is the capital of Goa, located in a picturesque setting at the mouth of the Mandovi River. This small city resembles a corner of the Mediterranean, yet retains a unique Indian flavor and reflects the rich history of Portuguese heritage. The city is full of cultural, historical, and architectural attractions that make it an important center for tourists who want to experience the spirit of Goa. Make some masala tea, make yourself comfortable, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's go!
जगाओ अपनी आत्मा को अनहद ध्वनि सुनो सबको दिखाओ आपकी मन की मुरझाए दूर करो एकजुट हो जाओ.
History of Panaji. It was first mentioned in the year 1107. It was originally a small suburb of Velha Goa, Old Goa, in the first half of the 18th century after a series of epidemics in the capital of Portuguese India. Panjim began to gain importance. In 1759, the seat of the governor of the colony was moved here, and in 1843 the city officially became the capital of the colony under the name of Nova Goa. After the occupation of Goa by the Indian Army in December 1961, the city became the capital of the Union Territory of Goa, Daman and Diu. Since 1987, when Goa was granted statehood, Panaji became its capital and the administrative center of Goa. Weather in Panjim. Panjim is located on the left bank of the Mandovi River and covers an area of about 36 square kilometers. The elevation of the city above sea level varies from 7 to 60 meters. Panaji has a tropical climate. Summers can be hot with temperatures reaching 40 degrees Celsius, while winter temperatures range from 20 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season lasts from July to September and is accompanied by heavy rainfall. November to March is the best time for a comfortable beach vacation and entertainment in Goa. Population of the city. As of 2001, the city's population was 58,785, of which 51% were male and 49% female. The literacy rate is 81%, 85% for males and 77% for females, which is above the national average. Approximately 9% of the population are children under 6 years of age. By 2018, the population together with the suburbs had reached 250,000. Panjim attractions. The third bridge over the Mandovi River has opened in Goa, connecting Panaji and Porvorim. This impressive engineering structure was inaugurated on January 27, 2019. The 4-lane bridge is 3.6 kilometers long and 21 meters wide and rises 70 meters above sea level. Its central concrete pylons, 150 meters apart, are supported by 88 harp-like cables. The bridge has not only become an architectural ornament of the capital, but has also significantly reduced congestion on this route. Now traveling around Goa has become more comfortable and faster. Church of the Immaculate Conception of the Mother of God. The heart of the city is Church Square, where the famous Church of the Immaculate Conception of the Mother of God, built in 1541, stands tall. It is one of the city's most famous landmarks, symbolizing Goa's Portuguese heritage. Maruti Temple, Hanuman Temple, also known as Maruti Temple, is located in the eastern part of the capital city of Goa on top of Altinju Hill, near Mala Lake. This orange and pink Hindu temple is dedicated to the monkey god Hanuman, one of the main characters in the epic Ramayana and a devoted follower of Rama. June 8th Road. Among the popular places for strolling and relaxing are the lively June 18th Road, known for its stores and restaurants. Nature and beaches. Panaji is located just a few kilometers away from picturesque beaches. Miramar Beach is a popular place for strolling and relaxing at sunset. Panaji Casino, a world of gambling and fun on the water. Panjim is known for its luxurious floating casinos, which have become a hallmark of the city's nightlife. These unique gambling establishments are located on the Mandovi River and are one of the few places in India where gambling is officially permitted. Every evening, the floating casinos cruise the river, creating an atmosphere of festivity and entertainment. Guests can expect live musicians, dance shows, and DJ parties. The casinos at Mandovi offer an exciting experience, from classic roulette and poker to modern slot machines. There are regular tournaments with large prize pools, attracting players from all over the world. Panaji's most popular casinos, Deltin Royale is one of the largest casinos in Goa with 5 floors of entertainment. Casino Pride, a casino with a democratic atmosphere and affordable rates. Big Daddy Casino, a modern casino with the latest gaming technology and luxurious interiors. Deltin Jack, the perfect place for beginners and professionals. Carnival in Panaji. Every February, Panjim transforms into the scene of a vibrant and colorful carnival. It is a time when the streets of the city are filled with music, dance, and festive processions. Carnival in Goa is a unique tradition inherited from the Portuguese that attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world. Panaji is a city where history and modernity blend in harmony. It is a place where you can enjoy the tranquility of ancient neighborhoods, admire magnificent churches and palaces, and experience the atmosphere of festivals and carnivals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Leave your feedback and comments. Amit Kumar Savant and Goabay have been with you. Bye.
Om Namah Shivaya.